This is Stockholm Log Figure, and today I'm going to draw a log. I got the Smash log number 5 that I had in the previous videos. In my last video, I said I was going to draw this log. Reason why is I think it's faster than destroying it, as I did for this one. So, let's get started. Sorry about that. Got a few pins right here. Let's see if I got anything else. Oh, we got another one. 3. And that's looks like that's all the pins. So let me see if I can get it open. Using the back of the key, of course. Let me see if I can get this thing open. Not yet. Alright, there's another pin. Just for guys who are new here, this is a 4-pin lock. Those are 5 out of 8 pins. There's another one. Here's one more. Drilling this lockout, simply what it does, it 0 bits it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tweezers out, and I'm going to see if I can dig out some of the springs. And I can see a bunch of them right there, and look like they might be clogging it up. If I have not got through that last chamber yet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. If I'm not, I'll draw a little bit more, and Let's see if I get it open. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. All the pins I find will be right up here on the top of my screen. I might put them simply about right here. Just as disclosure, this is very unsafe, guys, so keep that in mind. There's another one I missed. I do not encourage you guys doing it by hand. I encourage you guys, if you have a padlock, you need to drill it out, simply get some vice grips and hold it in your hand. I'm doing it because I've been doing this for a while, and I know exactly where to hold it, and I know exactly how much pressure I need. It did twist only a few times, but that's normal. There's one of the springs. There's another of the springs. See here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to see what I'm doing. I can see something at the bottom of that lock. Let me see if I can knock it out. If I don't have all the pins right here, and I find it later on, I'll make sure that you guys know about it. And all these chunks that you see, like this one, is simply from the lock itself. I don't believe it's from any of the key pins, but I could be wrong. Now let me see if this thing will open up now. Alright, I'm grabbing on something. It's very jammed up. As you see, it can start opening up, but it's very jammed up in there. Let me see if I can get a hammer out and knock it open, because the key had turned the core. As you see right here, the core is turning a little bit. So I'm kind of surprised at that one. So I might be caught on something right here. So let me see if I can get my hammer out. Oh, as a disclosure, guys, on the small locks videos that I tell you I'm going to definitely open them up, I got a hammer just for that one. And so yeah, I will be using this one. See if it'll open it up that way, and that'll be in the future. So this kind of deal would be great if I had a change for. Sorry about that, guys. Remember that stand I showed you guys? Totally fine. Camera fell down. Everything's okay. So I might need to find something better, or better yet, invest in a camera. Let me see if I can get that. I'm sorry, this out of frame. That's all the way out, so my bad. I'm trying to get this thing open, but it is indeed turning the core, and I indeed jammed up. Note to self: screwdriver. screwdriver. That's what I need. Be right back. Sorry, that little dumb point that you guys see. Me talking about my screwdriver. And pliers. Alright, let me see this one do the trick. Oh, by the way guys, I got 2 more of these. So if you got any suggestions what I just do with it, please let me know. I'm not using guns. That's the first deal I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna using my guns yet. So channel's still young. No violence, no guns, not yet. But I do recognize that one, and I do have a video. There was a video that Bozzy Bill did. It's not mine, but he did blow up one of these. I encourage you to go check it out on his channel. Oh shoot. I'm gonna try to get this key out real quick, so I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, better yet, I'm about to have the lock open up. Same lock right here. I'm gonna see if I can get the key out to prove it to you guys. So, yeah. Just knocking on it, and there you go. It just popped right open. So let me get the key out. Prove it's the same lock that I have right here. And as you see, the core right there, it is whittled out a little bit. This right here. So let me get another one to show you the difference. So yeah, here's the difference right here. As you see, those little wings right there are not present, as it will be right there. So yeah, and also the cores totally different. This one untouched. This one might be next on my master lock misery test. So oh, by the way, Chaz, I like that comment you put down. Put master lock misery. Great comment. So yeah, let me try to get this key out real quick. I do have another one. Don't know where it is. Not a big deal. As you guys see, I can easily just pick it open. Alright, why am I doing this when I can just simply use my Dremel tool on it and just wheel it out right there, and get the key out. And when that happens, I'm gonna try to use my favorite, my favorite shank in this thing. So, these tools right here, that's what I've been using for the past 10 minutes or so. So, I just now remember about my portable, brand new Dremel. So, let me get started, and and I'll find all the pins if I can, and I'll show you guys at the end. So yeah, let me get started on that real quick. Now I'll show you what the end result is, and I'll try to open it up again. Note to self: they make blank keys for a reason. I just thought I gotta say that. So update, guys. I have done a little bit right there. I'm gonna try to dig into it and see where it goes from there. I'll be back, and I promise, guys, it's gonna be good. Well, and Chaz and I are gonna have a good conversation later. Alright, I got it out. Found out why I was caught up on it. And well, here's the key, guys. Anyone wants it? Going once. Let me sort through all this, see what's key pins and see what's driver pins. I'll get them all grouped in about right here. All springs right here. show you the damage to it. And also, this lock, just like his sister over there, lost cost. So yeah, let me get this mostly cleaned up and get it mostly ready to go. Alright, that's everything I'm going to look for. That's Swiss 5 here. I'm sure there's more somewhere in this my pile over here. But yeah, that's everything right there. I'm gonna pull up one of these right here. Come on, focus, girl. It is pretty rounded off right there. You can kind of make it out. Let me try something real quick. That's better. Kind of can tell a little bit. That's what it is. And a lot of this, guys, I might be using. A lot of it I might not be. I haven't made up my mind yet. And here's one of the shards that I stuck on. So yeah, that's everything, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Don't like it, you know what to do. Got any comments about my other two left master locks? Leave down below. I might use it. If I do use it, it will be on this channel. I'll record it as soon as possible, and I'll get uploaded on Sundays. On Sunday, and yeah. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Oh, one more thing. I want to end up cutting through the shackle about right here somewhere. Got some cutting wheels. Might try one of these real quick. Cut it once, cut it twice. See how easy it is. If I go do one wheel, I'll try another wheel, but no more than 2 wheels. And if it's weak enough, at the end, I'll get my trusty hammer out, and we'll get to work. Also, I do have one more hammer test that I want to do on this lock. I'm pretty sure if shackle breaks on it, I want to see how brittle the shackle is. I won't do that. I'll do that separate. I'll show you the results on it, and I'll buy another one if it works out. So yeah, sorry to off my light, but I was just hoping that the keep ends will show up. So that's all I got for you guys today, and let me know what you guys think about this experiment, and if I find the rest of this stuff, I'll put it in my trophy case over there. So thanks, guys.